In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure SEO in Google Analytics. Whether you're optimizing your website or analyzing traffic trends, understanding how organic search contributes to your overall metrics is crucial. Let's dive into it step by step and explore the process of using Google Analytics to track and measure your SEO efforts. First, you'll want to access the acquisition report. This is your gateway to understanding how people arrive at your site. Within Google Analytics, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and find the Reports section. Click on this, then proceed to Acquisition. It's here that you'll find the Traffic Acquisition Report, a vital tool for analyzing the various sources of traffic to your website. Once you're in the Traffic Acquisition Report, you should see a table with various rows. What you're looking for specifically are the rows labeled Organic Search under the Session Default Channel group. This designation helps you identify the traffic that originates from search engines, in contrast to other channels like direct visits or paid search. By focusing on these organic search rows, you can view key metrics such as sessions, which indicate how many visits your site receives from organic search. Users, representing unique visitors from these sessions, along with engagement and conversion rates, which reflect how well this traffic is performing in terms of achieving your goals. Now, to tailor this report specifically for SEO, you'll want to make a few customizations. This is where you can really refine the data to suit your needs. Look for the pencil icon. This is your edit tool. Click on it to begin customizing your report. Your goal here is to set the dimension to session source and apply a filter. This filter should be set to show where the session default channel group contains organic search. This way, you'll only see the data relevant to organic searches, eliminating any distractions from other sources. With these settings in place, you have a couple of options to ensure easy access to this tailored report in the future. Save your customizations under a new section. For a clear and concise label, you might call it SEO. This way, not only can you find it quickly, but it also helps keep your workspace organized. Finally, to do this, navigate to the Library section in Google Analytics and save your customized report under your newly created SEO section. This allows you to revisit and update your findings as often as needed without having to reapply the same filters and settings each time. And there you have it, a straightforward way to measure the impact of your SEO efforts using Google Analytics. Regularly analyzing these insights will help you make informed decisions on how to enhance your visibility in organic search results and ultimately optimize your site for better performance. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing.